Hey guys, welcome back with another video, and today we are gonna build a really awesome Lego boat. So let's do this. So first we're gonna put a 3-blocked one that has 3 dots on it. Then after that we're gonna put a 2 circled one, which is that one. Mine's is gonna be all red. Yours can be whatever you want. Mine's is gonna be pretty cool. Yours is gonna be cool too. If mine's is gonna be cool, yours is gonna be cool. So that's how you build it. You need these ones, and then you need to put this one together. So I'm gonna grab my 2 pieces right here and then smush them together. See, you put 2 Lego lines like that, and then we're gonna put 2 of these on, and then we're gonna show you the easy part actually. So let me find one of the pieces that I need. So this might take a minute. Okay guys, I found them, but they're not so perfect. So can you look at, I can't find one piece, so you can look at anything so I can look for it. I'll be right back. So guys, I found the proper tools, 2 wood pieces, and then here's an awesome part that you're gonna love. You get to put a claw in front of the awesome boat that I'm gonna make. And then look, that's something that if somebody wants to sit like this, just say this guy's sitting down, and then he wants to sit down like this, or he wants to sit like this. You can put the guy standing up or down if you can. So I'm gonna put down some other pieces that are gonna be cool. And now we're gonna fill that part in. We're gonna put probably gold bars under there, or your treasure, and all the money that you have in your Lego city. So you can put $300 bills in there. You can put anything that can fit in here. So then I'm going to show you the secret part. You can close it up like that. Isn't that cool? And then you could put this top on top. And then this part is pretty hard. You can put this here, and you could probably hook something up. And then if it doesn't work, comment down below and say that it didn't work. You don't have to, or you could figure it out, because I could probably tell you how to do it. So see, look, it's pretty difficult to put weapons there. See? I bet you guys have a bunch of Legos. Most kids like Legos. So, yeah, look. And you could put stuff on the back of these guns. So you could put another sword. See, look, these are all of my stuff. So those are all my swords and stuff. just say I wanted to put 2 chainsaws on the back. You could do whatever you want. You can make your own boat whatever you want. You can make the same boat as me too. I don't care if you copy. Like, use your imagination. It's cool. Make sure you like and subscribe. You don't have to comment down below. And so it's pretty complicated to put these chainsaws behind it. It's pretty hard. So let's try to put these Lego pieces on. It's pretty easy, guys. And there. But how can you fit this? Like, it's pretty hard. I don't know if I could do this or not, but you could put anything. A wrench, like that, a wrench. Let me try to find another wrench. There, found one. There. We could put these wrenches in front. See, look. You could put the wrenches in front. Or if they slip out, you could put them on the back. It's pretty easy to build any boat you want. Just Legos are so important to me. Like, it's amazing. Legos are one of my favorite projects to do. They're like my favorite project. So guys, like and subscribe. Again, don't forget this. You don't have to comment. So this might take like 20 minutes to upload, but it's okay. Every video that you guys make takes time to upload. So there. Now we did it. So make sure you like and subscribe, guys, and watch my other videos. This treasure hunt simulator on Roblox. So this could be the steering wheel. Whatever you want, you could do whatever you want. It's just, this is how I make stuff. So you could put here, this like right here or something, and then you could put, if it doesn't fit, it's okay. Mine doesn't fit, then you could put Lego stuff. See, like, this is the number 723. I don't know what that means, but okay. I think that's the number of the plane. So I hope you enjoyed my video today, and can't wait to make another video next time. And I'm just gonna put this one here. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe. You don't have to comment. So bye!